I'm not sure. So cute. Unboxing with me. I honestly don't remember what I ordered because I ordered on AliExpress and it takes 20 days for delivery. So honestly I don't know. It's like opening a blind box. It's really interesting actually. How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. We're opening the largest one first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this pack is for my fitness journey. I want to have abs and small thin waist like pictures. The measurements. This is the measurements for my waist. Pretty good. I want it to be down 68 or 65 and it'll be better, so I ordered this one. This one, a hula hoop. It has the hoop, the weight. Yeah, so the weight. This weight is kind of lightweight, and I'm not sure if this. I'm not sure. Are we supposed to put a weight into this? A few more of these if I want to extend it out. Hopefully I don't have to. The screw. So it looks like this. It says connect 5 to 10 links of exercise hook. Have to press the knuckles. Okay, looks pretty good. I need one more knuckles. Let's try. Oh, next one is this. I have no idea what is it. See? I cut it. I accidentally cut it. Oh my god. Accidentally cut it. It's okay, it's still cute. It's still cute. It looks so cute. And it's handmade, by the way. It's handmade. I accidentally cut it. Let me try it on. Next, I have this. This is a belt. Looks good, actually. Yeah, good. It's nothing special. It's just a belt. It looks like a box, so it's a lamp. It's a cute lamp. Oh my god! Oh no! never ordered something like this. It's a table. Wow. I ordered it like 2 days ago on AliExpress, and normally they take 10 days to deliver. So I don't know why this is so fast. Look at this. It has what do you call this? And the thing for and hold it out. Oh wait. Okay, I understand. Let's try my life first. Okay. But like this is too. Oops. Ow! Like this.